it can take you to the next level.
What really attracted me to the fast track was just the limitless amount of potential.
Being able to put myself amongst the best.
You really get to fast track your success, rub shoulders with some of the big brokers in the company.
TQL doesn't only invest in the company as a whole, they invest in you and they lay it out so that you can succeed.
For many of them, this is their first time in sales or their first time in the logistics industry. They've made a really substantial career move to pick up where they're coming from and come here.
The ability to go and make your own imprint on a city, help the company grow, is invaluable.
When you're relocatable, you're open to more things, it's more opportunity.
And then if you want to go back home or move across country, then you get to do that as well.
You can be a successful broker and go that direct route, or you can get into that leadership role.
It's really great to have leadership that really understand you, they know what you need, and they can help guide you along the way so that you can become a successful broker like they did.
Just seeing other people that have done it, that's what motivates me. And money, I like money. You can make good money, yeah.
As much as you bring in is really as much as you can make. TQL is not going to stop you.
Fast Track has branched off and grown into this own subculture of TQL.
We are very competitive, but if you ask any person at any time to help you with anything, they will drop it all and help you.
TQL is going to surround you with everything that you need to be successful.
So if you're ready to come in and put in a lot of effort and really advance your career quickly, that's exactly what Fast Track is here to do.
Just go all in.